Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel JS Lab. In today's video, we will see different built-in data types in Python. In programming, data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types, and these different types can do different things. In Python, we have many data types. They are: for text type, you have strings. For numeric types, you have integers, float, and complex. For sequence types, you have list, tuple. For mapping type, you have dictionary. For set type, set and frozen set. And for Boolean type, that means for checking the true false of a statement, you have Boolean type. So we will discuss this built-in data types briefly in this video, and in the coming videos we will be discussing each of the data types in detail. So first type is string. Text type, text data type, that is represented by string. So there is no separate data type for characters, they are string. So we will write an example. Example, x is equal to inverted commas hello. Okay, this is a string. So if you write shift enter, or means run, now x is a string. To the variable x, I have stored a value of characters hello. So if you want to check the type of x, type of x, and click run, you can see that is string, string. So that is a text data type. Next one is numeric types: integers, float, and complex. Integers means without decimal place, and float means with decimal place, and complex numbers means you will be having a real part and an imaginary part. So we'll see each one an example. Okay, I will give y is equal to 10 and hit run. Okay, now 10 is an integer which is stored to the value y. Type of y, it will be integer. Now z is equal to 23.4. Click run. Now type of z, it is float. It has a decimal point. Now I want to represent a is equal to 2 plus 4j. Here 2 is the real part and 4 is the imaginary part. Click run. Check the type of a. You can see that it is a complex number. So integer, float, and complex forms the numeric data types in Python. Next we will discuss what are the sequence types in Python. Those are list, tuple. First one is list. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Multiple items in a single variable, and list is mutable. That means once you have created a list, you can change that list. That means you can add some more variables into the list, and you can delete some variables in the list. So it is, you can change that. Tuple means, tuple is a collection of objects which is ordered and immutable. That means once you created a tuple, you cannot change that. Tuples are sequences just like list, but difference between tuple and list is tuple is immutable. That means you cannot change, but list you can change. That means values you can add, delete. So we'll see list and tuple. So list is represented by, so for example, I'll take b is equal to, you need to put square bracket. Inside square bracket you put some values. So first one is you put some names. Okay, Arun, comma, Joy, comma, Sam, and you can put numbers as well: 1, 23, 34, etc. Okay, click run. Now to b, a list is assigned. So in that you have string, you have the integers, you can have float, anything. Okay, so we'll just check the type of b. It is a list. So details, in detail, this will be discussed in another video. So how to access different variables in a list, how to change the variables, how to add variables or delete variables. This we will discuss in a future video. Now tuple is represented by, for example, c is equal to curly this bracket, not the square bracket. You enter the values Arun, comma, Joy, etc. Okay, so click run. So if you check type of C, you can see that it is a tuple. So difference between tuple and list is tuple is immutable, list is mutable. That means you can change. Next sequence data type is range. So range is a built-in function of Python, and it returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 by default and increments by 1 and stops before a specified number. Okay, for example, d is equal to, I am putting range of 0 to 50. So it, okay, so that's all. Okay, between starting is 0 and ending at 50. So if I put run, okay, and check the type of D, it will show range. That is the next data type is mapping data type. So in mapping data type we have dictionaries. So a dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable and indexed. A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable and indexed. It has a key value pair. Okay, and it is represented by curly bracket. Okay, we'll see an example. E is equal to, use curly bracket. So that one, you put name John, comma, age 36. So here you can see, I'll put click run. So here is a, you can see key value pairs. So here name, this one, name is a key value, key, and John is the value of that key, and age is another key, and 36 is another value. So key value pair. It is not in order. You can change and you can add more items also. Okay, that we will discuss in detail when we discuss the dictionary in detail. We write type of X and type of E, it is DICT, dictionary. Another built-in data type is set type. So in set type data type, a set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. A dictionary is a key value pair, unordered but indexed. Here set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. It is also represented by curly brackets, but there is a difference. We'll see. Curly bracket, John, students, etc. So it is divided by a comma. Okay, you write, click enter F. Check the type of F. It is set. So you can see the difference between dictionary and set. It is a key value pair. There is no key value pair. This is unordered. This is also unordered. But this is dictionary is indexed. Here it is not indexed. That is one data type. Now about this set, you can add elements. There is another data type in set data type, that is called frozen data type. Frozen set is just an immutable version of set data type. So in set is mutable. That means in this example, if it is a John students, you can add more elements to it, objects to it. But in frozen data type, you cannot add elements. That is immutable. G is equal to, inside bracket, curly bracket, you write the name. Okay, John, comma, students, comma, jobs, anything, right? Run. So we'll check the type of G. It is also set, but it is a frozen set. It's a frozen set. It is immutable. Next important data type is Boolean data type. So in Boolean data type is Python's built-in data type. It is used to represent the truth value of an expression or truth value of a statement in Python, either true or false. So if you write true, you can see true, it becomes green because it is a data type. So either true or false. So I'll write like this. For example, k is equal to v is equal to 2. Then we will check k is v. True. So see, I have put k is equal to v is equal to 2. I have assigned a value 2 to variable k and v and check whether k and v are equal. K is v. It returns true. If I am going to check k is x, it represents false because k and x are two different values. So it represents false. So we have checked the truthness of a statement. So Boolean data type is used to check the truthness of a statement in Python. We have discussed various built-in data types in Python. That is text data type, text type, numeric type, sequence type, mapping type, set type, and Boolean type. We will discuss each of the data type in detail and how to use in the Python programming in the coming videos. If you have any suggestions or comments, please feel free to comment in the comment section. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos. We will see you in the coming videos. Bye. Thank you.